Hello friends, now here is the step-by-step solution of this maths problem by using the Bode-Marx rule. Bode-Marx, which is the correct order of operation. First we solve bracket, small bracket, curly bracket, then square bracket O. Stand for how we convert into multiplication, we solve roots and exponents. D stands for division, M stand for multiplication, A stand for addition, S stand for subtraction. According to this Bode-Marx sequence, we'll break it down this expression by the step-by-step solution. First, we solve the innermost parentheses. In this expression, we have a small brackets and we have 50 minus 20. Now we have to calculate. After we'll get 30. According to this step, Bode-Marx dictates clearing the inner round brackets first. And now the current expression becomes square bracket, curly bracket 30 divided by 5 curly brackets of multiply by 4 square bracket of minus root 144. Now move to the next step, solve the curly braces. In curly braces there is a division. Now calculate division. 30 divided by 5 will get 6. According to this step, work outward to the next set of brackets and now the current expression becomes square bracket 6 multiply by 4 power square bracket of minus root 144. Move to the next step. Evaluate the order and exponents and roots. In this square brackets there is a 4 power square and root 144. Now 4 power square equals to 16 and evaluate root 144 equals to 12. According to this step, order must be simplified before multiplying or subtracting. So now the current expression becomes square bracket 6 multiply by 16 and minus 12. Move to the next step. Solve the square brackets. Now in this square brackets there is a multiplication. Now 16 multiply by 6, you can use Vedic math. 6 into 6 36 and 6 into 1 6. Now 6 as a ones place you have to write it down as it is and add it 6 plus 3, that is 96. So now the current expression become 96 minus 12. According to this step, complete the final grouping operations inside the brackets and now finally subtract the values. This is the last remaining operation outside of all the brackets and now after subtracting we'll get 84 which is the final result. According to this expression, by systematically peeling back the layer of brackets, small bracket, curly bracket, then square bracket, inside out and simplify the exponents and roots first and the expression safely reduced to a single correct final value of 84. And I hope it is clear. We'll meet in the next video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Bye bye.